revolutionary brain-like computer Darwin Monkey, unveiled by Chinese researchers. Imagine a computer so advanced that it mimics the intricate workings of a monkey's brain, unlocking secrets about intelligence and cognition. That's exactly what Chinese researchers have achieved with their groundbreaking invention, a supercomputer named Darwin Monkey, or Wukong in Chinese. This isn't just another leap in technology. It's a bold step toward understanding how our own brains function. But here's where it gets controversial. Should we be replicating the brain's complexity in machines? And could this blur the line between artificial and biological intelligence? On Saturday, scientists from Zhejiang University in China unveiled this remarkable creation, the world's largest-scale neuromorphic brain-like computer, known as Wukong, a nod to the legendary Monkey King in Chinese mythology. This system is powered by over 2 billion neurons and more than 100 billion synapses. To put that into perspective, its neuron count rivals that of a macaque monkey's brain, making it one of the most ambitious attempts to replicate biological neural networks in computing history. The human brain operates like an incredibly efficient natural computer, processing vast amounts of information simultaneously while consuming minimal energy. Inspired by this efficiency, researchers developed Wukong using specialized neuromorphic chips designed to emulate the structure and functionality of biological brains. These chips allow the computer to achieve high parallelism, low power consumption, and intelligent problem-solving capabilities, traits that are hallmarks of biological neural systems. Before Wukong came along, the title of the largest neuromorphic computer belonged to Intel's Hala Point system, which boasted 1.15 billion neurons when it was released earlier in 2024. However, Wukong outshines its predecessor not only in scale, but also in sophistication. The system consists of 960 third-generation Darwin 3 neuromorphic computing chips, each capable of supporting over 2.35 million spiking neurons and hundreds of millions of synapses. Together, these chips form 15 blade-style servers that work seamlessly to simulate the brain's complex processes. One of the standout features of Wukong is its ability to run cutting-edge AI models specifically tailored for brain-inspired computing. For instance, the DeepSeek large model has been deployed on the platform to perform tasks such as logical reasoning, content generation, and solving mathematical problems. What makes this even more fascinating is that Wukong can simulate various animal brains, from simple organisms like nematodes to more complex ones like zebrafish, mice, and macaques. This opens up exciting possibilities for neuroscience research, allowing scientists to study the brain's mechanisms without relying solely on live experiments. According to Pan Gang, the head of the research team and director of the State Key Laboratory of Brain-Machine Intelligence at Zhejiang University, Wukong represents a paradigm shift in computing. Its combination of massive scale, high parallelism, and low power consumption offers a new framework for tackling computational challenges across industries. This system can serve as both a foundation for advancing artificial intelligence and a tool for neuroscientists to explore the mysteries of the brain, Pan explained. By providing a digital sandbox for studying neural activity, Wukong reduces the ethical concerns associated with invasive biological studies. But perhaps the most thought-provoking aspect of Wukong is its potential to bridge the gap between human and machine intelligence. While current AI systems excel at specific tasks, they still lag far behind humans in terms of reasoning ability and overall cognitive flexibility. By combining the brain's architectural principles with computational speed surpassing that of any living organism, Wukong could pave the way for a new era of brain-inspired AI. Imagine machines that think creatively, learn dynamically, and solve problems intuitively, all inspired by the very organ that defines us as humans. However, this raises important questions worth debating. How close should we aim to replicate the human brain in machines? Could advancements like Wukong lead to unintended consequences, such as machines developing traits we don't fully understand or control? And what does this mean for the future of humanity's relationship with technology? As Wukong takes center stage in the realm of brain-inspired computing, it invites us all to reflect on the possibilities and pitfalls of merging biology and technology. Do you think replicating the brain's complexity in machines is a step forward or a slippery slope? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Mind-blowing! Chinese scientists create monkey brain computer, Darwin Monkey Unveiled. Behold the dawn of a new era in computing, where machines are no longer bound by human-designed algorithms, but can think and process information akin to a living creature. This isn't your average tech upgrade. It's a paradigm shift that could redefine our understanding of artificial intelligence. And this is just the beginning. In a groundbreaking achievement, a team of Chinese scientists from Zhejiang University have crafted Darwin Monkey, a revolutionary computer system that emulates the cognitive prowess of a macaque monkey. The secret lies in its hardware, a cluster of 960 Darwin 3 chips, each meticulously designed to mimic the neural network of a primate brain. These third-generation brain-like neural processing units, developed in-house, pack a punch with over 2 billion spiking neurons and more than 100 billion synapses. It's a remarkable feat that positions Darwin Monkey as the world's pioneer in brain-inspired computing, seamlessly integrating high-level cognition with sensory capabilities such as vision, audition, language comprehension, and learning. Now, let's put this into perspective. Imagine a machine that can reason logically, generate content, and even tackle complex math problems, all while consuming less power than your average household appliance, approximately 2,000 watts. That's the reality of Darwin Monkey. The research team behind this marvel has already deployed various intelligent applications on the system, showcasing its versatility and potential impact on fields ranging from AI to neuroscience. But here's where it gets controversial. By leveraging its extensive neuronal and synaptic resources, Darwin Monkey can simulate the brains of diverse animals, from simple organisms like the elegans worm to more complex species such as zebrafish, mice, and of course, macaques. This opens up a Pandora's box of ethical considerations and scientific opportunities that many have yet to fully grasp. And this is the part most people miss. The implications of this technology extend far beyond mere academic interest. With the ability to model and study different animal brains, researchers can gain unprecedented insights into brain function and disease, potentially leading to breakthroughs in neurology and AI development. However, the question remains: how far are we willing to go in blurring the lines between man-made intelligence and biological cognition? Are we prepared for the philosophical and ethical debates that will inevitably arise? So, what do you think? Is this the future of computing we've been waiting for, or a step too far into uncharted territory? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Revolutionary Darwin Monkey. China's brain-like AI takes the lead. In a groundbreaking development that could redefine the landscape of artificial intelligence, Chinese engineers have introduced the world's first computer that mimics the human brain, known as the Darwin Monkey. This innovative machine is composed of over 2 billion artificial neurons, a number that closely resembles the neuron count found in a macaque's brain. This advancement, as reported by the researchers at Zhejiang University, holds the potential to significantly enhance human brain-inspired AI technologies. The Darwin Monkey represents the latest evolution in brain-like computing, showcasing the remarkable capabilities of its creators at Zhejiang University. They proudly announced on their social media platform that this is the first ever brain-like computer built on a specialized neuromorphic chip, which houses more than 2 billion neurons. This sophisticated computing system integrates 960 Darwin 3 brain-inspired chips, collectively forming over 100 billion synapses. According to the university's statement, this achievement brings us closer to realizing a more advanced form of brain-like intelligence. What's particularly impressive is the Darwin monkey's ability to perform a variety of complex tasks, including generating content, engaging in logical reasoning, and solving mathematical problems. This is made possible through the use of a pioneering large model developed by the Chinese AI company DeepSeek, which is designed to emulate brain-like functions. But here's where it gets controversial. As we venture further into the realm of AI that mimics human cognition, we must ask ourselves, what are the ethical implications of creating machines that can think and reason like us? Are we prepared for the consequences of such advancements? Join the conversation and share your thoughts in the comments below.